Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create a template in Capcut. Capcut, a versatile video editing app, empowers users to create templates, streamlining the video editing processes while fostering creativity. To create a template, open the Capcut app. Once you are in the app, tap on the template option in the bottom bar. Explore numerous template ideas, or if you aspire to be a creator, swipe right to find Become a Capcut Template Creator at the top page. Tap on it to start creating your template. Select your preferences from the given options to initiate the template creation process. Let's begin by tapping on New Project. Add a video or photo that you want to turn into a template. Tap on the video's timeline and split it into two sections. Go back to the start of the video. Tap on it and select the Effects option from the bottom bar. Now choose Video Effects. Explore a variety of trending effects and select the one that suits your template. Split the video into 3 parts and delete the extra section. After that, tap on the export icon on the top right corner. Once the video is exported, tap Share it on TikTok or post it as your template directly on TikTok. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.